If you're running ads that encourage potential customers to call your business, tracking those calls is one of the smartest ways to measure success. In this guide, I'll show you how to track phone calls in Google Ads using phone call forwarding so you can see exactly which ads are driving valuable customer interactions. Let's start by heading over to ads.google.com. Once there, click Sign In and log into your Google Ads account. After you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your main control panel for managing campaigns and analyzing performance. From the left-hand menu, find and click on Goals. This section helps you define what success looks like for your ads. In this case, tracking phone calls as conversions. Once inside, select Conversions. This is where you can set up, edit, or review all the conversion actions you want to measure. Now, click New Conversion Action to begin the setup. You'll be prompted to choose the type of conversion you'd like to track. Since we're focusing on phone calls, select Phone Calls. When you choose this option, Google Ads gives you a few ways to track calls. You can track calls directly from call extensions or ads, calls made to a number on your website after someone clicks your ad, or calls from a phone number listed on your landing page. For this tutorial, we're focusing on calls from ads using Google forwarding numbers. Google's call forwarding feature assigns a unique number to your ad. When customers call that number, it automatically forwards to your business line while allowing Google Ads to record the data, including call duration, time, and source. This helps you see which campaigns and keywords are truly driving conversions. Next, you'll be asked to configure your tracking details. Set a call length threshold, which defines the minimum call duration you want to count as a conversion. For example, you might only want to record calls longer than 30 or 60 seconds, as shorter calls may not indicate real customer interest. You can also assign a conversion name, set a value for each call, and adjust count settings, whether to count every call as a conversion or just one per user. Once you've adjusted everything to match your goals, click Save to finalize the setup. After saving, your account will begin tracking phone calls as conversions automatically. You can view performance reports under Tools and Settings, Conversions, giving you insight into how effectively your ads are generating real customer engagement. Using phone call forwarding in Google Ads is an excellent way to make your campaign data more meaningful. It bridges the gap between online engagement and offline results, helping you understand how well your ads inspire real action. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up and track phone calls with Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical, easy to follow guides to help you master Google Ads.